Hey guys, today we have a package from Boniplace in Hong Kong and super excited to show you what we got. The first two items are extras. This beautiful Poli star macaron. That is just gorgeous. Thank you so much for your extras. So nice. And this one I believe is an extra as well. It's a Uzumaki Candy Squeeze by Picnic, or Harajuku Picnic. And that is really gorgeous as well. We don't have one of those. Thank you so much. So on to our purchase items. The first one is, oh weird, there's like little confetti or something in here. It's this pink Poli bun, and he's eating oranges. Really cute. And we also got one in this mint green color with the strawberries, and these are incredibly soft. I really recommend them. I think they were like very inexpensive too. Next item is this Bunny's Cafe, and this is the melon pan bun in the mini size, and this is Galaxy, which is I think we have the yellow and pink, and we have the rainbow, but not the Galaxy. And I think there might be another like one that we don't have, but I really did want to get these. These are really soft and really cute. Next are these Sumiko Garashi macarons. Super cute packaging. I was only able to get, I think, 3 colors that they had remaining. So this one says Nico. I still don't know the characters' names, even though they're so cute. This one doesn't have a name, but super cute. And then this one is in pink. There's lots of squishies in this package. And then, wow, okay, so we have a bunch of these Disney head buns. So this looks like it's Donald. Really, really soft and a good size. They've recently come out with the minis as well, which is really tempting, but I do like this regular size. And then there's these gashapon ones, but I think there's little twin stars, so I'll save that for last. Here is either Chip or Dale. I'm really bad at figuring out which is which. Let me know in the comments. Here's Minnie. I love the Kawaii faces on these. They're so cute. They are licensed by Disney. Really, really happy with these. So, which one is Chip and which one is Dale? Please tell me so I can finally figure it out. I notice one has a red nose, so is that how you figure out which one is which? Notice I've got like scratches all over my arms today. Here is Winnie the Pooh. Oh, this one's super cute. The last one is Mickey Mouse. So last of all, we have these little twin star gashapons. I didn't realize they'd actually come with the actual capsules too. Oops, there's the bag. Oh, it was nice while it lasted. So I'll just open one at a time. Oh, they're actually taped too. These are really nice capsules. I remember going to Japan just being impressed by all of the gashapon machines. It was just like insane how many they had. So this one is a cute little croissant, and it's, you know, really small size, but it feels really nice, and the colors are just beautiful. show you the checklist. There is a loaf of bread, there's a bun, there's a croissant, another bun, and this kind of shaped bun. So on to pink gashapon. And this one is like a little loaf shape. And it says Kiki and Lala. Oh, this is so cute. They're like much nicer than you would expect from a typical gashapon squishy. But I guess the standard of squishies in Japan is just higher than anywhere else. Boniplace is actually in Hong Kong, but I believe that these probably came from Japan. Here's another bun with Kiki and Lala. Oh, I love the colors. And they're just a really nice mini size. Oh wow, I didn't even notice the chains were like this. It's so pretty. These are really, really nice. They are a little pricey considering how small they are, but I've actually been leaning more towards the smaller squishies lately. I've gotten some big ones too, but when you start to run out of space, you start to appreciate the smaller squishies. Yeah, this ball chains with the stars is really cute. So pretty. So once again, here's everything in our package from Boniplace. I highly recommend them. You do have to pay a little for shipping and stuff like that, but they ship really fast. They always include nice extras, so I really recommend them. Thanks, guys.